Hello, and welcome back to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is the weather and the seasons. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. There are 4 seasons in the year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season has different weather. In spring, the weather is warm. The sun shines and sometimes it rains. Flowers grow and trees turn green. Birds sing and people like to go outside. Many people enjoy walking in the park or having picnics. Some days are cloudy, but it is usually a nice season. In summer, it is hot and sunny. People go to the beach and swim in the sea. They wear shorts and t-shirts, sunglasses. Sometimes there are storms with rain and thunder. In some countries, summer is very dry and the sun is very strong. People drink cold drinks and eat ice cream to stay cool. Some families go on vacation during summer. In autumn, the weather gets cooler. The leaves on the trees turn yellow, orange, and red. It is often windy and rainy. People wear jackets and scarves. In some places, autumn is a time for harvesting fruits and vegetables. The days become shorter and the nights are longer. Some people enjoy drinking hot tea or coffee to stay warm. In winter, it is very cold. Sometimes it snows. People wear warm clothes like coats, hats, and gloves. Some people make snowmen or go skiing. In many places, winter is the coldest season. The days are short and the nights are long. Some animals sleep during the winter, like bears. People like to stay inside and drink hot chocolate. My favorite season is summer. Summer is my favorite season because it's full of energy and fun activities. The long, sunny days make it perfect for spending time outside. Many people enjoy going to the beach, playing sports, or having barbecues with family and friends. The bright blue sky and the warm breeze create a relaxing atmosphere. Summer is also a time for delicious food like fresh fruits, ice cream, and cold drinks. The nights are warm and people can go out for evening walks or watch the stars. Many festivals and outdoor events take place in the summer, making it an exciting season, even though the heat can sometimes be strong. Swimming in the sea or drinking a cool lemonade makes everything better. Some people check the weather on their phone or watch the weather forecast on TV. This helps them decide what to wear or if they need an umbrella. Now let's check on your understanding. Answer these questions. How many seasons are there in a year? There are 4 seasons. What is the weather like in the summer? It is hot and sunny. What do people wear in winter? They wear warm clothes like coats, hats, and gloves. What happens to the leaves in autumn? The leaves turn yellow, orange, and red. How can people check the weather forecast? They can check it on their phone or watch TV. If you answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye-bye.